Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay. The last of 3 pallets. Each pallet ran us 190 bucks. If you watched the other 2 videos, I encourage you to do so and subscribe and make sure to share us. But they've been home runs. What would you say, like 2 items have been customer returns? It's been pretty crazy.
And we found all those OGO backpacks.
Yes, and those were like 60 to 80 bucks a piece. That alone paid for the entire shipment.
Yeah.
And this right here looks like another home run shipment. So we'll get into it, see what we got, but it looks pretty similar to the other one.
I feel like you never have a bad feeling about a buy. Like everything's always a home run.
It is. Think about it. Look back at all these videos. They're all home run shipments.
Can we make a video about the groups?
Once I sell them.
Weatherproof backpacks. That's gotta be good money, right?
Yeah, another trans. These are, you've been spending all these.
That one was so.
Puma. That's good stuff. They're bulletproof?
Weatherproof.
I would rather prefer a bulletproof one. You'd want one then. Someone shoots you, you just make sure you're back to them.
Yeah. Why don't I just buy a bulletproof vest?
Because
This is gonna be good money.
it's obvious. That one looks, that's brand new too.
Brand new. And the funny part, they wrote salvage right across the shrink wrap. Like, how the frick is this salvage?
Not end of the season.
Brand new pool.
Brand new pool.
That's gotta be good money, right?
Oh yeah, I would think. Probably at least 100 bucks. Some more weekly meal plans. We're gonna lot these together. These are 10 bucks a piece. We got a little pile going of them.
Can we set that up here in the warehouse?
On the roof.
I don't want to get
How many people could say they have a pool on the roof of their warehouse? Jungle Play Center, brand new. We should be able to send that. Some nice little Speedo shoes. These are some nice shoes. Yeah.
right here.
My chin, a dot.
Oh, will they fit you?
No, not these ones. Some kickboxing gloves.
Oh wow.
Tire.
An air mattress that's actually not open.
No, what? It's brand new.
It's a twin.
Basketball rim.
That's gonna be good money.
Yeah, they usually are, all that stuff. Fold up chair. There's a new Mickey Mouse pipe.
That's soft. Feel that. Yeah.
It is soft. I like it. Microfiber towel. And another thing. Brand new 10-pack chalk stencil set. There's some interesting stuff so far. You know, and we're
These trucks must be playing the same way.
yeah, definitely these are cool. And we're in the process right now of setting it up to be able to move our own pallet. So a lot of this stuff, we'll just put it right back in the Gaylord and ship the entire pallet right back out of stuff that we don't want to deal with. A lot of options out there to move merchandise. Hover hockey. It's a tabletop. So some damaged packaging, but it is new, has not been opened.
I'm just gonna throw these in until these are scratched up.
Oh, I lied to you guys. So the entire thing's actually cracked.
Liar.
You know. So we'll toss it over an auction. A lot of smalls in this one.
This actually has the fin in it. It's supposed to be 2.
Bubbles, bubbles, and a lot of pool floats.
So that is actually not a
Compression, short and cup, some goggles, bubbles,
Peppa Pig, right on.
We'll be able to. Oh, is it new? Looks new.
Yeah.
Anti-pan.
You're about to say something. It looks what?
I'm gonna send it right to Amazon. Probably like
Like
60
20?
bucks.
What'd you say?
It might be like 60 bucks or something.
Oh, I thought you said $6. I was like, wow, that kind of sucks.
Anti-pan storage organizer.
Case pack of these.
A batting tee. I know, just looking for a batting tee. And send some messages out.
Nerve.
Those are Nerf?
Yeah, we should be able to send these too, right?
Yeah, is the ball missing? Like it comes with the ball?
Well, they're in here, they're just off the, we should be able to glue that back, I don't know. Packaging's.
Knee and elbow pads. Half if it's missing. Oh, when's the last time you touched one of these?
Oh. 2010
If you guys would like an autograph from Chris on a football, we have one available. Just message us and he'll come up with a price for it.
$5.
Are you being overwhelmed with memories right now?
No. No, well, maybe.
Inflatable mattress. A twin and bark.
Oh.
That's cool. Frozen. Adjustable kit. It's missing one of the wheels unless it's in here. So we'll just send it to the auction.
This is open. Well, I wonder how they got it back in there.
Maybe it's just open.
Yeah. We might have to check this out. Because honestly, every time we get one of these that's actually used or open, it is not in the box really well.
Not like that.
No.
Exercise dies. We got Ignite Pro Resistant Cup. So this type of Ignite stuff, we can make a big lot. So this might only be $8. This is $12. So now you're up to $20 and you're gonna save on shipping.
Nice. It's still sealed in the packaging.
So it's just open packaging.
Yeah.
That's probably good money. Oh man, these right here might be my new water shoes. Medium.
Still sealed in the package. Very nice. What is it?
I'm gonna try these on. Check them out. They're nice.
Oh, look, weren't those the ones earlier that were too small for you?
No, these are the cheap ones you gave me. These are the nice ones I found myself.
Guide mat. What is it guide to?
To my heart.
I thought it was a yoga mat at first, but
A Yoda mat?
no.
The force is strong.
It's a train recovery and prehab mat. Interesting.
We have some more of these LOL bubbles. We're gonna lock these together. People will buy them just because they say LOL. Yeah, nice pile of these LOL bubbles going.
Yeah.
Just added 3 more to it.
Here we go. These sold last year.
Yes, they did.
Frozen scooter. I think we sold it for like 60 or 70 bucks, right? This one's not even open. Just a little damage to the box. Nothing major.
A lot of Igloo lunch pails. A lot of them. I better send these to Igloo.
Yeah, Igloo I thought we usually could. Oh, Gatorade bottle.
Oh, look at that.
I feel like you need that. I'll send this.
Some more of cups and towels. Circle resistant bands, so different weight.
That's Champion brand too, right?
Yeah,
We should be able to send that. Right?
Glitter pool candy.
Did that Go Fit? Do you know if you can send the Go Fit, Brian?
I'm not sure.
Ooh, there's a waist trimmer. Maybe I should get that.
There you go. Got your figure. Oh, look at this.
No, I like cupcakes too much. Oh,
So
nice.
Razor Jets, we'll have to check and see if they're new.
We sold those last time.
We told them freaking used as all get up.
Yeah, they would use the shit. I think they were missing a part.
Yeah,
too.
so we'll double check these, but these are pretty good money. These Razor scooters.
Removing excess water. I don't think there's water weight there. I
Some
think
more
there's,
UV.
I think there's donut weight there.
Rotten egg bunch of balloons.
Oh, the box is
Tiny
so-
Wubble Bright. And some more workout videos, which we're allotting as a whole.
As a whole, on the whole.
This stuff really may end up being our first pallet of stuff that we'll end up reselling. There's so much new stuff that we won't mess with in this
Yeah.
freaking Gaylord.
Like these are all shovels.
Another workout.
Sand shovels. Oh, here we
A
go.
new backpack.
This is good. We were sending these, right? Paints and paints.
Oh, that's a different one. It's a unicorn.
Is it?
Yeah, the police station was $60 and the other one was $50. Sure, the unicorn's right up there.
Oh, here you go. Go with your basketball hoop.
Ah, new basketball. Oh, I don't like that ball. Look how slippery that is.
Ball till you fall.
I like that ball though.
I think you just said you don't like it.
It's too slippery for me.
You like the looks of it.
I like the looks of it. Definitely like the looks of it.
This is one we're gonna sell, right? We sold these last time. And sometimes they don't come fully pumped. Oh, here you go. There's another one for you. Flat.
Flat, flat. It doesn't need pumped up, I'm sure.
A lot more lunch pieces.
Bubble wubble. And
There's a lot more of the Clorox. Pool pressures. You want all of these?
ah, look at these. There's a lot of them. I don't need all of these. Probably send them right to. Might be able to send them to Amazon. That's what it sounded like too. I thought about it.
That's why it triggered me to do it.
My bad. We'll look them up. Maybe we'll sell them as a whole lot. These pool and spa. I feel like they're probably money. We'll just take them out of the packaging. There's another one. Five Nights at Freddy's figure. Trolls. Dive characters. Trolls. Like that type of stuff. Medium water shoes. So a ton of smalls in here, but we'll have a lot of money coming different ways. Amazon, eBay. We'll add a lot of this stuff back to making a pallet,
There we go, another fancy.
and we'll send some stuff to the auction. Paw Patrol. I don't even know where I just put that.
Oh, Harry Potter backpack.
Harry Potter?
I feel like that'll sell.
Anti pants, more water shoes.
Fanny pack for you. I know you're into fanny packs.
Hey, if they hold all my money for me. Snacks.
All the money that these pallets are delivering.
I like it. I see what you did.
See what I did there?
Money on pallets. Money on pallets. More resistant bands. Some Schwinn. Replacement tire. Pool float.
I don't want to dive into you diving in there. And this is how the air mattresses come when we know they've been used. Not in the box originally the way it was. Auction this one.
Yeah. Check these out. Brand new Speedo sets. These have to be good money. Clearly, it's a lot of smalls, but for 190 bucks, absolutely got our money back numerous times over.
And smalls keep you in business.
Yeah, I mean, we'll decide what we don't want, and then we're gonna, like I keep saying, we're gonna give selling a whole pallet a shot, make a manifest for it, turn around and flip out the whole pallet.
Oh, we don't want.
More goggles. Giant pool floats.
Tire replacements. Bell tire.
New helmet. Bubbles. And another Speedo.
Did you say these bubbles weren't really worth anything?
Nah, we'll add them back into the pallet when we do the manifest thing. We're gonna have a lot of LOL bubbles.
Definitely a lot of smalls.
Another new helmet, resistant band, kickboxing, and goggles.
I think those gloves are right up your alley. Agility ladder. There's a lot of workout stuff in here. I feel like you could have your own gym if you wanted.
With all the stuff we've been getting in the last couple of weeks, we could definitely set up our own gym here.
Resistant bands. Even the
More resistant bands, more shoes, more bubbles. A lot of stuff. Really hope one of these pairs of shoes fit me.
getting high on your supply.
I know.
There's a back support thing for you can wear when you're up on the roof, doing the roof.
Oh man. I'm up on that roof fixing it, repairing it. I can't even explain to you guys how much my back hurts.
Yeah, I think this is all small. Ooh. You didn't see these Galloway?
Oh.
Their back support. They're golf tees. I need some golf
You
tees.
say golf tees?
Yeah.
These nuts.
So fun. I said
golf
tees.
I said golf tees, and you said yeah. And I said these nuts.
These are going with me.
Man, I've been thinking about getting one of these, and now I don't have to.
What is it?
Travel hammock when I go camping.
Nice.
So this is mine. I don't even care how much it's worth. What was the price on it? $39.99 for this? Well, now it's free $50. We'll flip you guys around because that's just a lot of repeats and a lot of more smalls. But I mean, there's still, probably a couple $100 in there when you tally up like the shoes and stuff like that, and some of these camo back cups. These actually pretty good. Clean canteen. $24 price tag on that.
Is that what that black one is down there too?
Yeah, my best.
After yesterday, I'm not leaning under the box when we get to
Yeah, there's $48 right there.
Probably $7.
So let's flip you guys around, show you what we have in it. Some cool stuff. So as you guys can see, there's still some decent stuff down there. A lot of smalls, but we got plenty of ways to move it. And then we got a lot of fun stuff up there. So really good money there. Definitely worth $190. And we got the pile of backpacks and a little bit of stuff for the auction. So, all in all, I would say it's a good shipment. 3 pallets for less than $600 is a really good buy. I mean, we'll definitely get our money back all day.
Yeah, probably those 6 items right there will pay for the pallet.
Yeah, there's those
Your profit.
across the top. So we got for you guys, we already have another shipment in, which that one I'm pretty stoked about. Saw a lot of cornhole boards on it, some more outdoor stuff. So pretty excited to get into that. And then super exciting is next week we have a full semi of merchandise coming in of Unmanifested. First time we've ever bought Unmanifested. Really stoked, really excited about it.
You are.
We'll see what we get in. 26 pallets coming your way. So that'll be at least 26 videos
26 videos
of going through some good stuff. So make sure to subscribe, share us. We appreciate it very much. And we'll see you guys back soon.